Hello and welcome to a Mangley Town unboxing, and today we have the Bachmann model number 32-460Z, which is a class 171 Turbo Star and a 2-car DMU in Southern livery, and it was done exclusively for Model Zone, so we'll have a look at it out of the box. Being Bachmann, it's a nice smooth runner and has got again small directional lighting, which I'll show you in a little bit. But it can go a decent speed as well, so that will look nice running on a branch line on a layout. There isn't much that I've found in Southern livery. I think there's been one other loco, so this is going to be a smaller part of my collection, but again we'll have a closer look at the detail. So see if we can show you directional lighting. I say it comes up quite faint, just that little light on the top, and then nothing down the bottom there by the looks. Let's have a quick look at the other end. Yeah, you can just pick them out on the bottom there. So obviously the faster it goes, the brighter they'll show, so they just weren't coming up that well on the other end. But a nice level of detail again. Especially like the doors on this one. And I hope you've liked a quick look round at that. And see you again soon.